Are you looking for a business plan right now? Well, guess what? You're in luck. You can get access to a free business plan when you sign up to take our How to Build Your Business Masterclass. So what is the How to Build Your Business Masterclass? Well, I'm glad you asked. It's a self-paced master course that teaches you how to write a business plan, why you shouldn't have an LLC, how to build business credit, and more importantly, how to get access to business funding. But that's not it. You also get 3 ebooks that teaches you how to build a business, a list of creditors that will give you business credit, and also a list of every business lender in every state that's going to give you business funding, in addition to 24 videos that teaches you the journey to success. So, are you ready for your free business plan? Simply visit our website at www.macenterpriseconsulting.com/courses, where your free business plan awaits.